Managing large facilities is tough. Keeping them clean without breaking your budget? Even tougher. It starts with a seamless service experience. Our experts consult with you to find the exact machine for your specific environment and floor type. Behind every rental, there's our dedicated service team ensuring peak performance and reliability. By entering Kärcher Rental Services, the smart, flexible way to access world-class ride-on scrubbers and sweepers. Preserve your capital, adapt to seasonal demands, and achieve a spotless facility. Clean smarter, not harder. Our rental packages include reliable servicing and training support to ensure zero downtime. Backed by our advanced after-sales infrastructure, our certified technical experts utilize state-of-the-art facilities and precision tools for comprehensive machine care. From routine maintenance to complex repairs, we keep your rental fleet operating at peak performance. Ready to upgrade your cleaning fleet? Contact us today for more information and a free demonstration.